Hey, what's up there? What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for me? Here I am. Anyways, in today's short video, I'm going to be talking about tools and vehicles used by farmers, gardeners. A lot of pictures and photos are going to be displayed and shown to you so you can understand the meaning of each word through the photos being shown to you. That's why I believe in today's short video, at least, I should not speak in Arabic to you. And if you believe otherwise, throw this video a comment. What are you waiting for? If you believe otherwise, like if you believe that I should have spoken or I should speak all the time in Arabic, let me know and throw me a comment down below. What are you waiting for? Just do it. And try to help other people who are looking for professional teachers just like me. Try, to help them reach this channel and to reach such videos. They're helpful, useful, can be found elsewhere. And let me dive in. And the first word is axe, axe, axe. The second word is spade, spade, spade. The third word is flower pot, flower pot, flower pot. The pot is this small container where you place the plants and you keep watering them so the plants can grow, The third one is the one who grows and the plants or even raises animals. We call him gardener or farmer. The next one, boots. We use them, the farmers use them, boots. Pruning saw. Shovel. Hedge shears. Pruners or pruning shears. Hose. Gardening fork. Gardening trowel. Seeds. Watering can or bucket. Scythe. Sickle. Weeding hoe. Pickmatic. Bolo. Wheelbarrow. Gloves. Lawnmower. Tap or faucet or tap ولا عنه tap, you can turn it on or turn it off. Turn on the faucet or turn off the faucet. Don't say close or open. Super easy. Seed drill. Fertilizer spreader. Backpack sprayer. Thresher. Hay baler. Bulb planter. Irrigation pump. Cultivator. The places where animals are kept, usually called sheds or barn houses. And now with the most common machinery used by farmers when it comes to harvesting, transplanting, planting, or even plowing. And the first one is tractor. Combine or harvester. Excavator or diggers. Excavators or diggers. Bulldozer.